Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beauty Boutique and it is Makeup Monday. Today I am just going to show you ladies how I contour my nose and my face. It's a real basic look. I'm still wearing my natural makeup look, my ready to go to work look. So I'm just gonna contour my nose a bit to slim it out. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer to blend me out, and that's about it for today. Already done my eyes and my eyebrows. So what I'm going to be using is this Fenty Beauty in Espresso. It's a foundation stick, so I really love these. So let's get started. This is the final look. So I contoured my nose out and I added some more definition to my face to kind of pronounce my cheekbones and my chin, and then I blended it out. So this is pretty much my everyday makeup kind of look. So yeah, I'm gonna go and head into work. I hope you ladies love it. Drop some comments and let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and tune in to our live Business Savvy Saturdays. I will see you lovely ladies next time. Bye.